Hey guys, so today I've decided to make some baked chicken for dinner. But first, before I add my chicken to my baking pan, I'm going to make sure that my baking pan is moist on the bottom so the chicken does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Now I'm going to add my chicken to my baking pan and just make sure that I evenly spread my chicken out in the pan so they can cook evenly. Now that I have all the chicken in the pan, I will cut up some bell peppers, some onions, and some cucumber to add to my chicken in the pan. Now it's time to add all the vegetables that I just cut up in the pan with the chicken. And now I'm just making sure that everything is evenly spread in the pan, adding some thyme to the chicken, and then I'm just going to put everything in the oven. I turn the oven on to 375 degrees and let everything cook for 1.5 hours, and you got it. That's it.